So it's September 8th, 2014. We're in Beijing. It's Mid-Autumn Festival today, so it's Monday and everyone has the day off. Me and Carolyn are out for a bike ride. Here's Carolyn.
Hello. Let's go.
Carolyn, how's your day today?
It's a beautiful day. I think it's okay. I can do exercise.
So we're right here next to the Olympic Forest Park, which is this huge park which is north of the Olympic complex. Okay, I'm being careful. And as you can see, the reason I'm able to be careful is because Beijing has these great bike lanes, which keeps us divided from the cars on the road. Although the motorcycles still use them, so it's not like that safe, but it's pretty good.
Which way should we go?
Are we both in the picture? This is dangerous.
Which way should we go? This way?
This way, yeah. So the traditional thing to do for Mid-Autumn Festival is to eat mooncakes, which are they're like these cakes that are about 3 inches wide, and they have some sort of filling in the middle. And everyone's supposed to eat them at night, so that's what we're gonna do. You can see up there the mountain in the distance. That is Shanzhuang Gongyuan, Fragrant Mountain. There's a big park up there, and during the fall it's very beautiful because all the leaves turn that kind of golden brown, and they'll have a very fragrant smell, so that's why it's called Fragrant Park. And also, to the north of that is the wall, I think. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video now. Say goodbye, Carolyn. Bye-bye.